Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I'm Vira. In this video, I will show you how to change or settings DPI on your Vivo Y19s. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. First thing first, you must to activate developer options on your phone. Open your settings menu and then go to about phone. You click it. Next, you open software information. Yep, in this build number, you can tap 7 times swiftly like this. Enter your lock screen password. Yep, you are now a developer. Next, we click back again one more times. Next, in your settings menu, you open system menu. Click it. Now you can find developer options menu on your phone. Click it. Next, to settings your DPI, you can scroll down and you search smallest width or DPI. Yep, this is smallest width. Click it. You can see my default DPI is 384. I will change to 500, I think. Next, click OK. Yep, this is 500 DPI. Next, I will change to 600. Click OK. Yep, successfully this is 600 DPI on my phone. Now you can see the display on my phone has become smaller and one screen can now show more menu. But you have to be careful because if you change DPI too high can cause your cell phone to black screen or reset. Okay, next, to restore DPI to default, you can click again on the smallest width and we change to default DPI. On my phone is 384. Next, click OK. Yep, successfully my DPI is default. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.